Hello, welcome to day 3 of the Tech Tip Advent Calendar. On day 1, we talked about using that professional email. So, not using a Gmail or a Hotmail or any other for your business. Then, day 2, which was yesterday, we talked about getting your SPF, your DKIM, and your DMARC all set up to help with email authentication. Following on from that, my tip for day 3 is around your email sign off, your email signature. Now, if you're running a business and you're a one-man band, you can kind of cobble together an email signature that looks all right. But as you get bigger, you take on more staff. Unless you are really specific with your brand guidelines and how your emails are signed off, you will find that employees will make adjustments and tweaks to make it a bit more personable to them. But what that can do is make it a little bit less professional from your standpoint. Now, there are tools out there that can help. And the one that I would recommend is called Exclaimer. Exclaimer allow you to create email signatures which can then be designed for if you have an info box and you want to emails that go out to come from your info mailbox, and you can have a specific signature for that. Every employee or member of staff or member of your outsourced team that has an email address relating to your business can have their own signature set up and locked down so they can't change it. That's the biggest thing here. They cannot change it without logging into Exclaimer to make changes or requesting changes that then get authorized by you, the business owner. I've been using it for about 4 months now, and every month my email signature gets adjusted ever so slightly. There'll be a new guide to download or a new offer that's going live, which I'll advertise through my email signature, because every person that opens an email from me will see it. So why not make use of that as a way of not just remaining front of mind with people, your logo, your phone number, your email address, but your offers and educational guides and other marketing assets that can help you make a sale or to just help you educate your clients. So if you want to find out more about Exclaimer, please feel free to get in touch and we can have a chat. Until then, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you again tomorrow, Sunday, the 4th of December 2022, for day 4. See you soon.